Okay, so let's be honest and have a discussion with each other about XRP, about the last 5 years. Why is the price of XRP really not doing anything? Let's just have a very frank discussion. I want to hear your opinions in the comments below. I have been reading comments on previous XRP videos that I've done, and it seems to be this thread with the some of the people that are commenting, and I'm seeing some in the community of kind of this dissatisfaction of why XRP is not moving. Now I'm going to state up front, I'm a avid part of the XRP army. I own XRP. I'm going to continue to own XRP. To me, it is a vital part of my overall blue chip portfolio. I put it up there with Bitcoin and Ethereum, Polkadot, Polygon, Cardano, etc. Okay. And so with that, I have a very long-term view of the asset of XRP. I'm not looking to make a lot of money off of it tomorrow, although I think that it's going to start going up significantly as we start to see the rest of the crypto market rise in January. But let's get into this. I want to talk about XRP, 5 years, not really doing anything. And part of the idea for this video came from this article, but there also has just been kind of this growing dissension around XRP and the price of the token now that I'm seeing. Okay, and so why is XRP not really moved in 5 years? Well, let's talk about really that. There's really two things. There is obviously the elephant in the room, right? There is the SEC lawsuit. That's really it. I could stop there and say that's really what happened. Well, at Austin, the lawsuit was settled. Yes, it was settled, but remember, it went kind of 50-50. Basically, XRP was not deemed a security in relationship to this centralized exchange trading, which was the big win considered. But on the institutional side, there's still some uncertainty there, obviously, with the judge's ruling. But bottom line, the SEC lawsuit versus Ripple was viewed as a win for Ripple and how the judgment came down. But going back to why the price doesn't move, well, the price didn't move for, since during the lawsuit because but nobody knew which way it was going to go. That's why. And so it became a massively long-term hold. Now I know people that own it for a penny or even sub penny. That's their price point. Wish that I was there with you guys, honestly. But with that said, that's one reason, that's, in my opinion, the main reason that the price of XRP has not moved in this, and part of this kind of, let's be honest about XRP, Ripple, but more so kind of, well, not more so, but additional in part of this discussion is I thought that this was a really great tweet from Nick Crypto Crusader. Don't know Nick, but this first time I'm seeing him, but I like his commentary here. He was talking about the fact right here. Let me make this a little bit bigger for you. He was talking about why people, kind of complaining about XRP barely moved. And look, he basically says, look, XRP has barely moved. And he's comparing XRP to other projects because I think a lot of people do that. I think people compare XRP to maybe other smaller projects and why are those projects over there moving and where XRP is really not. Okay. But I will remind you that XRP is up over the last year, 50+%. I'll remind you of that, which is a great ROI. But and I think there's a lot of massive upside here moving on. Okay. So basically said, hey, look, why is XRP moved compared to say other projects that do 300% in 24 hours? Well, guys, let's talk about this. And he talks about this, but XRP right here is a $33 billion market cap project. A $33 billion market cap is not going to move 20% in a single day. It is too massive. It is too liquid. It has too much liquidity. It is simply too big to move that much as an example in a day or 2 or 3 day period. It just simply doesn't really happen very often. Okay. So that's kind of part of it. And so he was, sorry, right there. So the problem is people fail to realize how illiquid some of these other projects are that are moving. It's hard to move a $30 billion coin that is extremely liquid, meaning having a massive amount of liquidity, which he's talking about XRP, versus a sub $100 million market cap coin that has practically zero trading volume. Stop comparing blue chips to other projects. XRP will have its day in the sun, but until then, diversify and enjoy the ride. Well, that's really, I thought, a really pretty good, very clear and succinct um, Analysis, right? You've got the SEC lawsuit, which basically shut down people wanting to invest new capital in the project. Also, you had exchanges like crypto.com and Coinbase shut off, though, the ability to trade it, especially here in the United States. Obviously, it was very hard for people in the States to be able to buy and sell XRP. We all know how that played out. And then you have this just the size of the project, $30 billion. It takes a lot to move a project, and it has a tremendous amount of liquidity behind it. It's not as easily manipulated or moved up or things of that nature. Now, with that said, here's the bottom line. Let's bring this home. Is that I'm a firm believer in XRP. I stand by it. I'm going to continue to invest in it. I'm going to continue to DCA and put more money in it because I think the opportunity is massive as we continue to roll along into 24 and 2025. That's my opinion. You have to do what's right for you. To me, I view it as a blue chip. I view it as a blue chip that I want to have. I want to have ownership and exposure to it in a positive way in my portfolio. I put it up there with Bitcoin and Ethereum. Yes, I know they're all different. That's not my point. But to me, I view it in that asset class. And so I own Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Cardano, Polygon, Polkadot, and the rest of the top guys. I put it right there with those. And I'm willing to wait, and I'm okay with it not doing anything right this second because I know that it's time in the sun is coming. What's your thoughts? Drop in the comments below. Go make some money. Have a good day. See you.